Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So, ito yung reading natin for air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, this is messages for air sign. Ano na yung mga messages na naghihintay para sa'yo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, kahit na lang na subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. Personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Pakisearch mo lang siya sa Facebook, TikTok. And yung TikTok ko po ay Unicorn Princess Tarot. Feel free to check it out. Let's start your reading. This is for air sign. What do we have here for air sign? The Moon. Okay. Page of Wands. The Sun. Okay. I'm seeing a message here. So, kailangan mo mag-ready, no? Nakikita natin yung iyong soulmate is coming, and this person, I'm seeing a message, a chat, or maybe an email na mula dito sa person na ito. Communication ang nakikita natin sa inyo. This person with the Queen of Wands is going to, appear in your life. Dadating siya sa buhay mo. Yung iba, babalik. This could be a past person. And I can see an offer here of love. I can see a lot of love mula dito sa person na ito. And I can see a reconciliation para sa iba. If this is a person in the past, there's definitely a reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. And itong person na ito magpapasaya sa'yo. Tell me more messages for air sign, please. More messages for air sign. You do have here the Seven of Swords. Okay. Maaaring in the past, umiwas, lumayo itong person na ito. Two of Wands, nagkaroon siya ng ibang plano. We do have here the Death card, so definitely nagkaroon ng ending in the past sa inyo ng person na ito. But I'm feeling like hindi naman ibig sabihin nun ay nawala na siya ng tuluyan. I'm feeling like itong person na ito, kinailangan lang muna niyang umalis or mag-end ng connection, communication, or whatever sa inyo. Kasi kailangan niya munang ayusin ang kanyang sarili. This person, nakikita natin na naghihintay pa rin siya na magkaroon ng another chance or relationship sa inyong dalawa. Naging matagal with the Seven of Pentacles. Pero nakakita tayo ng pagpaplano mula dito sa person na ito na maaaring gagawain or isa sa katuparan na nakikita natin na ikakatuwa mo. Messages for air sign, please. Tell me about the person of air sign. Person air sign. The Justice card. Yeah. This person, I feel like babalik or dadating itong person nito to tell you the truth with the Justice card. With the Three of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Sasabihin niya ang totoo sa'yo with the Three of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Because this person, gusto niya ng growth sa inyong dalawa. So, babalik siya. And with the Five of Swords, I feel like willing siyang i-cut off, tanggalin, or gumawa ng pagbabago regarding sa kanyang buhay para bumalik sa'yo. So, I feel like may mga sakripisyo din gagawain itong person na ito. Mga desisyon na kailangan gawain. Maybe may kinalaman sa kanyang career. Itong person na ito. Babalik siya, pero may mga aalisin siya. Or aalisan siya. Okay? Anong gusto mangyari ng person na ito? For air sign, please. Anong gusto mangyari ng person na ito? 5 of Cups, 2 of Cups, and the Hermit. Of course, with the 2 of Cups, gusto nyo ng relationship, partnership sa inyong dalawa. I feel like with the Hermit, gusto niya bumuo ng house, ng home with you. Gusto niya ng pagsasama. This person wants to marry you with the Hierophant. Nag-iipon lang with the 4 of Pentacles. Clarify the 5 of Cups. Page of Swords. Ayaw niya na maging malungkot. So kung ano man yung situation na kinabibilangan niya ngayon with the 8 of Swords, which is this is your person na nagpipigil or maybe nasa isang sitwasyon na hindi niya gusto with the 9 of Swords. Gusto niya na tong alisan to offer you the Knight of Pentacles. Gusto niya mag-offer sa'yo. This is your soulmate, your twin flame, the one for you, your destiny. And nakikita niya kung gaano katibay ang koneksyon na meron sa inyong dalawa. So willing siyang gawain yung mga dapat gawin para makasama ka. What is the outcome of this reading? For air sign, please. What is the outcome of this reading? For air sign. You do have here the 10 of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Emperor, the Strength card, the 6 of Cups. Yeah, this is regarding the past. Nababalik sa buhay mo to have a new beginning with you, with the King of Wands, to offer you or to tell you the truth kung bakit naging miserable ang buhay niya nung wala ka, and that this person is coming back to your life. The 7 of Wands, I feel like ilalaban niya na ang 4 of Wands, which is, this is the relationship na gusto niya, marriage or commitment, relasyon para sa inyong dalawa. This person is going to offer you ang kanyang sarili. And alam niya yung mga kakaharapin niya dito with the 10 of Wands. This is obligasyon na willing siyang tanggapin or harapin. Dahil maaaring, sorry about that, may insekto. And we do have here the Emperor. So this is your person na parang willing na siyang mag-lead dito sa connection na ito. Okay? So your person is coming back para siya naman na maging leader sa connection ninyo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.